Welcome back to the second video of the day. Earlier, we took apart the American Express Gold Card. I wanted to see what's inside that sucker, and we did. We were able to see how much metal it takes to make that card. Now, in the description, I did promise that we would take apart my Platinum card. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Now, before we do, let's go ahead and weigh it. It's set at 2 grams. All right, it is set to grams. So let's go ahead and weigh the card whole. It is 17 grams, so 2 grams more than the gold card. All right, so now let's take it apart. All right, so if you notice that I have to take this apart with heat, and I have to use granite in order to, prevent from any surface from damaging. The granite can actually absorb that heat just fine. So let's get started. All right, so full disclosure, this Platinum card is not an active card. This is actually a throwaway card. This one is definitely not easy. There we go. All right, success. We got the Platinum card apart. Here's what's inside the Platinum card. It looks like the chip is identical. All right, so let's weigh the metal. 14 grams. All metal. Let's remove the little chip. All right, so now let's just remove this chip here. Yeah, so it's got plenty of adhesive. There's the chip. All right, so we have the Platinum card. Let's go ahead and weigh it. There's only metal. 14 grams. And now the gold card, only metal, 10 grams. All right, so there you have it. We just took apart the Platinum American Express card. It's good to know what is in this, and it's all metal. In the previous video, in the gold card, that card ended up being made with 10 grams of metal. With the Platinum card, we have a whopping 4 extra grams, so 14 grams of metal in this card, and that explains why it's so sturdy compared to the gold card. All right, so we had a little bit of fun today taking apart the cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, please smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And also, if you could subscribe, that would really help me out. But for now, cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.